Standard 3rd subject Maths. Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic number work. Let's recall what you have learned in previous standard. Look at the numbers and read it. 2, 6, 26. 3, 8, 38. 4, 2, 42. 5, 1, 51. 5, 5, 55. 6, 7, 67. 7, 9, 79. 8, 3, 83. 9, 4, 94. In this topic, today we are going to learn about introducing hundred, whole hundreds, 3-digit numbers, writing and reading. If you notice this picture, each bundle has 10 sticks. Now, let us count the number of bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, there are 10 bundles of sticks and each bundle has 10 sticks. So, it means 1 10 of sticks make 10. 2 tens of sticks make 20. 3 tens of sticks make 30. 4 tens of sticks make 40. 5 tens of sticks make 50. 6 tens of sticks make 60. 7 tens of sticks make 70. 8 tens of sticks make 80. 9 tens of sticks make 90. 10 tens of sticks make 100 sticks. Now, here we will see notes of 20 rupees. Let us count the number of notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 notes of 20 rupees each, which makes 100 rupees. That is 100 rupees. One note of 20 rupees make 20 rupees. 2 notes of 20 rupees make 40 rupees. 3 notes of 20 rupees make 60 rupees. 4 notes of 20 rupees make 80 rupees. 5 notes of 20 rupees make 100 rupees. Now children, let us learn about 100. 9 beads and 1 bead together makes 10 beads. You know what? A group of 10 things is called a 10. Now, 99 is the biggest 2-digit number. When we add 1 to it, we get the 3-digit number 100. Let us see how. Now, 9 tens and 9 units, that is 99 plus 1 would be equal to 100. Well, in the answer, under unit place you have 0 and under tens place you have 10 tens. You know what? The new place on the left in the 3-digit number 100 is the place of hundreds. 100 means 0 units, 0 tens and 100. 100 is a 3-digit number. Now, similarly, if you see the backs, 200 means 200, 300 means 300, 400 means 400. 500 means 500. 900 means 900. Now let us revise the concept of hundreds. 10 tens make 100. That is 100, which is 100. 20 tens make 200s. That is 200, which is 200. 40 tens make 400s. That is 400, which is 400. 50 tens make 500s. That is 500, which is 500. As shown in the table, string the right number of beads on the wires. Write the number in figures and words. Now, let us see the first picture. To begin, let us count the hundreds. There 1 and 2 hundreds. Now, let us see the tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And how many stray beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, which means 4 ones. So that is why at the hundreds place we have 2 beads, at tens place we have 5 beads, and at unit place we have 4 beads. So 2 hundreds, 5 tens and 4 units. In figure, you will write it as 254, while in words it is 254. Now let us see the next picture. First, we will count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundreds. There is 1 tens. And how many stray beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 extra beads, which means 7 ones. So that is why at the wire of 100 we have 6 beads. At tens wire 1 bead, and units wire 7 beads, which means it is 6 hundreds, 1 ten and 7 units. So in figure it is 617, while in words it is 617. Now let us see the next picture. We have units first, so we will count the extra beads first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means 8 units. There is no tens. Let us count the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hundreds. So, at the wire of 100, we will make 8 beads. There will be no beads at the tens wire and 8 beads at the units wire. In figure, it is 808, and in words, it is 808. Make 3-digit numbers using each of the given digits only once. Let us see the digits. There 1, 2, 3. Now we need to make 3-digit numbers, but we need to use all the digits only once. So how many numbers can we make? 123. Then we can have 132. Can you suggest some more? Yes, you're right. 213, 231, 312. We can also have 321. Now here we have numbers 305 and we need to make 3-digit numbers using each of the given digits only once. We can make 305, 350. Can you guess some more? Right. 530, 503. Hey, you need to note something that 035 and 053 are not 3-digit numbers because these numbers are written as 35 and 53 using only 2 digits. Remember, the smallest 2-digit number is 10. The greatest 2-digit number is 99. The smallest 3-digit number is 100. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. Now your homework is question number 1, fill in the blanks. Question number 2, read the numbers, write them in words. Hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you.